Hi everyone, I am Neeraj Narayan Chaudhary and today's topic is multiple VLOOKUP. First, I would like to explain about the VLOOKUP. What is VLOOKUP? VLOOKUP stands for a vertical lookup. It is the function that makes Excel search for a certain value in a column, the so-called as a table array, in order to return a value from a different column in the same row. So that is the VLOOKUP function in Excel. And I'm damn sure you all are well aware about the VLOOKUP function. So let's start to learn how to make a VLOOKUP in a multi-column at a one time. This is our master data. Here name, date of birth, age, marital status, contact number, qualification, working profession, city. This is our working sheet. Here we have only one reference is name and rest all information we required. So here we put VLOOKUP. Lookup value would be A2. Go to the master sheet, select entire table array, comma, start curly bracket, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, curly bracket close, comma, 0, bracket close. Before hitting enter, here put F4 to lock the formula with dollar sign. Okay. Now you can imagine if I hit enter, what will happen? We'll get the entire information in a single shot. Yes, you can see here. We get entire information in a single shot. Just copy and paste. So you think how work will get easy and will save lots of time and effort. So once again I am explaining the formula. A2, the reference is name. We are looking value for this name. Why we have put it here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8? Because we needed the reference value for this, for second column, third column, fourth column, fifth column, sixth, seventh and eighth. So that is why second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. This is second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh and eighth. So that is why we have put it here. So thank you for watching and happy learning. Thank you.